So, well, it looks like Anthropic might be giving us a cookie very soon. Because last week we reported that people on different plans were very affected.
Yep.
So, say for example, if you're on a pro plan, your usage limits were getting burned up really fast. And we had a lot of community members saying, you know what, I was doing my research, I had some things running, and before it would run perfectly, and now like it would run like 20%, right? Like, especially people on the max plan and pro plan, they were burning through their usage very, very quickly. The problem here is the problem with Anthropic is that they don't tell you how many requests they're using. There's no transparency. Just like, oh, you used, 2%. And yesterday I actually got it to try to plan a trip for me, and I used like 50% just on like 8 prompts.
What?
Right?
Oh,
It's like, it was
God.
bad. It was bad. But it did have browser use and everything. So I mean, I understand that something's going on.
Yeah.
But the lack of transparency was bad. But what's going on right now is 8 hours ago, Claude Code is finally posting something here and says, we are aware that people are hitting usage limits in Claude Code way faster than expected. We're actively investigating and we'll share more when we have an update. Still working on this. It's a top priority for our team. And we know this is blocking a lot of you. We'll share more as soon as we have it. All right. And then finally on here, we have Lydia. She's on the Claude Code team. We are aware of people hitting usage limits on Claude Code way faster than expected. Actively investigating. We'll share more. So they know they messed up. Okay, this is like PR speak for, oops, we messed up.
Yeah.
Right? Like, we're investigating this issue, we're very transparent about what's going on. It was intentional. We realized there was a lot of backlash right now. We very likely know exactly what's happening on right now, but we're talking with our senior managers to figure out how much actual limit we can actually afford to give you right now. I mean, that's the translation that Anthropic, that's like plain English translation of what she's
speak.
This is LinkedIn speak. We're actively working on this, right? And look at this, right? Like, there's like update. We're still looking into it. They're not looking into it, Bryce. They know exactly what's happening. They just don't know how much to give you.
Yeah.
Right? That is the issue. Like, they don't know how much to give you. But obviously, there was a lot of backlash earlier because people were hitting, people were complaining, your software as a service trick, you're tricking your most loyal users, your quota's burning much faster. People that don't work at Anthropic know how much the burns are.
Yeah.
Right? They know how much you're limiting us by, right? People have done tests. So it's like, I know you guys are Anthropic. You guys know exactly what's happening. But I think you guys are just deciding how much you give us. Right? So I think that's the current state of things right now. But very likely they'll have to increase it because by also using this language, just like going through, like, we are aware that we're way faster than expected. This is a admission of guilt.
Yeah.
Right?
Because it sort of indicates they
know.
Yeah.
They know they did something wrong.
Yeah.
Right? Because they'll be like, oh yeah, it's way faster. We way overcorrected.
Yeah.
Right? Like, you wouldn't use that term if you just said, oh yeah, we reached some bugs with some people, some users have reported lower usage. That would be like speak for like, I deny any wrongdoing. This is admitting wrongdoing. It's way faster.
Yeah.
So very likely, as you guys probably know, that they have a new model being trained called Mythos, and that's taking a lot of compute. So very likely what they're doing is they're trying to balance how much effort to put into the training their new model versus how much to keep the current users satisfied, given a limited number of GPUs that they have. Right? So that's happening right now. So they're still updating, but what I do see, because they admitted and because they were, they're trying to be more transparent here with the community, and because of that migration, the community right now has been very angry and trying to migrate to GPT. So they're trying to say, hey, you know what? Guess what? GPT, don't use that. Don't use that one. I'll use that one. Like, come back to us. We'll be. We know what you mean. We'll admit something wrong doing here and move forward. So what I do want to see in the future is for them to have something that's like Minimax. Minimax does it a lot better. They actually tell you how many requests you have, so you have something to measure by, and then they actually tell you, and you can even so you can even bring your key out to use. I think there's so many things that Anthropic is doing because they can. They're the best.
Yeah.
So they can treat you with disrespect, but you still wipe their ass because you need your app to work.
Yeah.
Right? That's the current state of things right now. But on the plus side, of course, I don't want to be. I want to stay neutral on the topic. They released a new computer use for Anthropic, so this is actually really interesting. So this released 10 hours ago, and you guys should probably test this out. But now you can click on your apps on your UI, and it can even build, pixel art.
Oh, computer use in Claude Code.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, so it's rapidly killing off OpenClaw. Like OpenClaw's one of the biggest ability was like similar to computer use, get your files. Now Claude Code can click on apps.
Yeah.
We're in a new era, guys. We're in a new era. So I do appreciate the backtracking here that Anthropic is doing. Before they said it's a feature, not a bug. We're just limiting you guys. Now they're like, oh yeah,
Way faster.
way faster than expected. Admission of guilt. We turned our product into complete dog shit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fix it for you. We just need to talk with management on how well it's going. So hope talking to management works, guys. Get us some more credits. With that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, whatever. Do all the cool things, okay? Be nice to us, okay? And we're speaking the truth here, so I hope that helps us as a community. So with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys next one. Peace.
Hanana!